So guys, today we are again at Tirupati Computers, New Panvel. Today we are going to see the graphics card variety available with its pricing.
Hello, welcome Tirupati Computer, New Panvel. Zebronics graphics card 610 2GB DDR3 2000 cost. 730 Zebronics graphics card 4GB DDR3 3000. Zotac 730 4GB DDR3 cost 7500. RX 550 4GB DDR5 single fan cost 10000. RX 560 Asus dual fan Radeon graphics price 11000. 730 4 HDMI slot 4 purpose trading use, only for trading use, 4 display, different display, price 11500. GT 1050 Ti 4GB DDR5 graphics price 11500. GT 1650 4GB DDR6 price 12000. RTX 3050 MSI graphics card 8GB DDR6 price 22000. Gigabyte graphics card RTX 3060 12GB costing 27000.
So Bhaiya, what about the other graphics card which is not shown in the video? If someone wants those graphics cards?
Yeah, all graphics cards are available, just visit the shop.
Please contact Tirupati Computer New Panvel for best offers on gaming laptops and PCs. Friends, please subscribe and comment what you wish to see in upcoming video. Till then, take good care for you and your loved ones.